You work 40 hours a week, maybe more, but you're still broke. It's not because you're lazy, it's because of these 3 money traps no one told you about. You got a raise, and what did you do? You upgraded your car, got DoorDash 4 times a week, and signed up for 4 subscriptions you forgot about. When your income goes up, and your spending goes up with it, your bank account stays flat. Rich people don't spend more when they earn more. They buy freedom. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. Period. You don't need a complicated budget, just use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings investing. If your money's not on a plan, it's planning to leave you. You're trying to save your way out of being broke. That used to work. It doesn't anymore. You need a second income stream, not someday, today. Start with skills you already have. Freelance, digital products, consulting, or even reselling. You're not broke because you're dumb or lazy. You're broke because the system was never made for you to win. Fix just one of these, and in 6 months your life could look totally different. Follow Dollar and Cents. Real money talk, no fluff.